Week 2, Introduction to Logos 4 and the Research Process. This lesson will cover 3 learning outcomes. 1, to understand the basic functionality of Logos 4. 2, reflect on the usefulness of Logos 4 in your personal life and ministry. 3, demonstrate an understanding of the research process. This course, which is designed to introduce you to aspects of doing research in the theological context, builds from a technological standpoint on Logos 4. Logos 4 is a tool that provides electronic resources, books in electronic format that allow you to search them, to work within them, rather than in the traditional manner that you would have a book that you buy that sits on your desk. So in order to get the functionality of Logos 4 down, which is crucial, the program will be used throughout your studies at Moody Theological Seminary. You've been asked to view a series of videos. Now there are a lot more on Logos site that you can view from, but these are the ones that are required to get you the basic functionality necessary to successfully complete this course. So you'll see those on your syllabus, and you'll see the link there, and simply follow those and watch those. You'll notice that you're being asked to reflect on these as well, because it's not simply just technology, but it's how you're going to use technology effectively in ministry, and plus thinking through the pitfalls. One of the main pitfalls in Logos 4 would be the tendency to plagiarize. Very easy to simply cut and paste material, and so I want you to think through, right off the bat, how you're going to navigate that material in an integrity-filled manner. You're going to get new insights and new possibilities for Bible study in Logos 4 that open up to you that may not be there in your traditional biblical studies format, and I want you to think about those. Your reading in Stebbins is in the preface and in chapter 1, and it's going to start to introduce you in terms of thinking through the 7 steps of the research process. And when you think about the research process, our main focus again for this class is on the Pathfinder, and the Pathfinder, you need to reread that topic and that assignment to get more familiar with that. You've been provided a lecture handout on the research process. You need to read through this. Most likely need to read through it a couple of times to help you orient yourself to the process that you're engaged in. And then also make sure that you pay attention to your minute paper and your discussion board question for this lesson. Well, hopefully you'll enjoy Logos. I'm sure you're going to have a lot of questions. It's going to be maybe technological issues, and so make sure that it's installed and ready to go, and you have your initial familiarity with the program, and then getting initially comfortable also with the research process itself.